Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Millionaire YouTube channel. Today we are back with another ICO review, but before we're going to start this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to be a crypto millionaire, okay? Go right now to that red button down below and click on it to subscribe. Thank you. Today's ICO is called DCC, Distributed Credit Chain, Empower Credit, Enable Finance, okay? So, vision and mission. Distributed credit chain is the world's first distributed banking public blockchain with a goal to establish decentralized ecosystem for financial service providers around the world. By empowering credit with blockchain technology and returning ownership of data to individuals, the DCC's mission is to transform different financial scenarios and release true inclusive finance. Okay, so what is the problem? The traditional financial industry is highly centralized. Financial transactions rely heavily on the endorsement and support of large financial institutions, with substantial transaction fees paid out to these institutions. Monopolistic financial institutions have in fact raised lending rates for borrowers and reduced the interest income for lenders. Okay, so the problem is it's a high cost and it's not efficient, and a centralized credit model entice many financial institutions to deviate from their primary purpose, serving consumers. Aiming for profitability, they deduct lenders while squeezing borrowers and expand their profits by extending their consumer base. Okay, so we can see that there is a big problem in this field. So how DCC will solve these problems? Individuals with specific borrowers demand establish blockchain account to authorized data service provider and initiate borrowing request. Okay, they will get data service provider, integrate individual data and store them on the chain, clean dirty data and provide data standards. Okay, algorithm and computation service providers extract characteristic from data, make judgment based on policies, and quantify judgment based on characteristics. Okay, sorry for the back noise. Credit history feedback. The approved credit history reports generated on blockchain prevent problems such as long-term borrowing and repeated test borrowing. Funding providers not directly involved in lending but provide funding, such as ABS purchasing institutions. Risk-assuming institutions operate in credit business by earning income from bearing specific risks, manage loans in progress, and collect after loan. Okay, want to learn more about? Let's go. Okay, advantages: they will break the monopoly. They will decentralize the thinking, they will transform business structure, and they will have government regulation. Here we have the scenarios: loan registration services. Okay, the distribution credit chain can be applied in many sense in finance area, among which a DApp serving the personal loan market has been launched and in use. The others are under developing and will come soon. Okay, so that's the good news. Here we have their roadmap. We can see that they started working on their project since 2017. Open self-creation, API distribution, establish unified DCC MPC, enter in the Indonesia lending market. Okay, so here we can see their team: Stewie Zhu, serial entrepreneur, founder of TN Tech, PhD and candidate in finance at LSE, MS in Finance Economics, Oxford University. Okay, so we can see that he's a high educated person. He also studied in Yale. Stone Shi, telecom engineer, for a former vice president at JP Morgan Chase. Okay, so we can see that those two is enough for the team. This one also is a PhD. Don't hesitate to check the rest of the team on their website. Those are their advisors. It's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and goodbye.